In the year of 2020 to version rigid box forming machine Kai 550C set up the machine very easily. Just load the data of box in the machine. Max box finished size 550毫米乘以400毫米乘以120毫米。Min box finished size 40毫米乘以40毫米乘以10毫米。Min depth of fold-in is 10毫米 all the way to the bottom is 70毫米。Key electronic part Sonic PLC RTAC air cylinder Delta servo motor TWLK bearing TWT by guide screw TWT by linear guide rail Rigid box machine Kai 550C is the upgraded version of Kai 500B version in the year of 2022, which is more stronger and more easier to set up the machine. Semi-auto rigid box forming machine. The box is put into machine by hand, which pull the ready form box to the box forming machine. It is not only increased the capacity of the production, but also more safety for the worker. So it is the most advanced machinery for making phone box, tea box, sweet box, shoe box, jewelry box, moon cake box, act.